Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to say that again. I took a little bit of a break from YouTube just because I kind of was bored of making the same videos over and over and over again, and I just wanted to mix my channel up. So I decided that I want to switch directions a little bit, and I'm gonna do a little more lifestyle stuff on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And today I am joined by Rico, who is my sister-in-law's dog that we are babysitting, and he's just the sweetest dog ever, and I wanted to show him to you guys because he's so cute. During my bridal shower, I received Chrissy Teigen's first cookbook, and before that, I was never really a cookbook person. I would just go on Pinterest, pick a pin that had the prettiest picture and make that recipe. But this cookbook, I don't know, changed the way that I really cook and think about cooking, and every single recipe that I've made on there, John and I have absolutely gone nuts for. So when she came out with her second cookbook, Hungry for More, I immediately went out and bought it. So of course I wanted to do a video making a recipe out of her cookbook today, and because it's fall and it's like cozy weather and it's kind of cold outside, when I think of cozy, I think of tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. That is a childhood classic. It is a favorite all across the board. So I'm gonna be making Chrissy Teigen's creamy tomato soup with peppery Parmesan crisps, but instead of actually making the Parmesan crisps, I'm gonna be pairing it with her sweet and salty Brie and peach grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm gonna make the soup first, and for the soup you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion cut into 1/2-inch diced pieces, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes in juice, 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth or vegetable broth, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar plus more to taste, kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper. I was not able to find the Diamond Crystal brand of salt that she highly recommends to use. She says it's a little less salty. I was not able to find it for the life of me, so I'm just using regular kosher salt. So I'm not gonna be putting as much in the soup just because her salt is not as salty. 1/4 cup of heavy cream or more to taste. I'm using table cream today because I didn't want it to be too heavy, especially with the grilled cheese sandwich. That's just a lot. So in a large saucepan, I bought this saucepan from Winners and I have been obsessed with it ever since. I just want to make all the soups in the world. You're going to want to heat the oil over medium heat. Add the onions and cook, stirring until they're translucent and golden, so about 10 minutes. Add the garlic and cook 1 additional minute. The smell of onions and garlic cooking together is probably my absolute favorite smell in the world. Add the tomatoes, their juice, the broth, sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Bring it all to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low or low and simmer gently until the liquid reduces slightly, so about 15 minutes. Let the soup cool for a few minutes, then pour it into a blender or food processor and blend on high speed. So I don't have a food processor, so I'm putting my mix inside of my NutriBullet. So blend it until it's smooth, so about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the cream and blend a few seconds more. Season to taste with salt, pepper, and or sugar, and that's it. Honestly, it is so easy and quick to make, and something that delicious should not be that easy. I feel like it's too much of a life hack. So next we're gonna be making our grilled cheese sandwiches to dip into our soup. I'm so excited. For the grilled cheese sandwiches, you're gonna want 5.5 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. I'm using salted butter. 8 slices of soft, pillowy white bread. I'm gonna be using Italian bread instead of white bread because when I went to the grocery store, it was freshly baked and I could not resist the smell of it, and I was like, that sounds pretty dope, a grilled cheese sandwich with Italian bread, so that's what I'm using. 1/2 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce plus more for dipping, 1/2 a red onion, thinly sliced, 8 ounces of cold Brie cheese cut into 4 equal pieces. You can eat the rind if you want. 1 juicy ripe peach, pitted and thinly sliced, and kosher salt. So to make the grilled cheese sandwiches, you're going to want to spread one side of each slice of bread with about 2 teaspoons of the softened butter. Arrange the bread, butter side down, on a piece of parchment paper or a baking sheet. Spread 1 tablespoon of the Thai chili sauce on the unbuttered side. Layer 4 slices of bread with some onion slices, a piece of brie, and a few peach slices. Season with salt, and set the other slices of bread, butter side up, over the bottoms. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 of the sandwiches to the skillet and cook until the underside is golden and toasty and the cheese begins to melt, pressing down with a spatula or a sandwich press for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the sandwiches and cook until the cheese melts and the underside is a deep golden brown. So about another 2 to 3 minutes. Wipe any burnt bits out of the pan with a paper towel and repeat with the remaining sandwiches. So that is it, like a quick and easy dinner that you can make any night with like ingredients that you can find at the grocery store, except for that damn salt. I was not able to find it, but that's okay. This meal ended up being absolutely delicious. We loved it, and it's so easy and quick to make. And I don't know about you guys, but when I come home from work, I don't want to spend hours and hours in the kitchen just because I'm already tired, and by the time I'm done cooking and I clean up after myself, it's time for bed, and I'm like, where did the day go? So that's it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments, or if you've tried this recipe, or if you want to try this recipe, or if you have another Chrissy Teigen recipe that you absolutely love, let me know. Let's talk about it. Maybe I'll make it for my next video. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to upload, you know what, I'm gonna be better with uploading. I know, I was pretty bad, but now that I've figured it all out, I'm gonna be uploading more. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Do you wanna say bye, Rico? He's passed out. He doesn't wanna say bye right now.